Hey loves, welcome to or back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Evita, and on my channel I like to post videos about cash stuffing, budgeting videos, and also my journey to becoming debt free. If that sounds like something you'll be interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you find yourself enjoying this video, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. But in today's video, we are going to be stuffing $365 into my sinking fund binder, birthday binder, and also my holiday binder. Let's first count the cash to make sure we have $365. I'm gonna do this a little differently. I know I put that 50 in between, but we all know, we know. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 300, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. So we have our 365. How has everyone been doing? I have been doing fine. I am super excited that I have been paying off a lot of debt, you guys. You know, I get super excited when I am paying off my debt and becoming debt free. But let's go ahead. Let me grab my paper so I can actually know what needs to be stuffed into what. So I am going to start with my holiday binder. And let's see, Easter, you guys know I didn't write on the card, so I'm gonna have to write on the card on camera. Easter is going to get $23. I told you guys before, I don't really celebrate Easter. This is just for my godson, and I do believe Easter is going to get 22. Why would I make it 51? Okay, so today's date 3/20 deposit. I'm gonna just give it the 23 at this point. 23. So let's go with a 20 and 3 ones. So now Easter has 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. I don't know what I was thinking, but whatever. Easter has $51. Next is Father's Day. Father's Day is going to get $11. So we have a 10 and $1 bill. So now Father's Day has 20, 30, 35, 36, 37. Next is going to be Juneteenth. Juneteenth is going to get 11 as well. Father's Day is on Juneteenth this year. So I think we may do something for Father's Day and like Juneteenth, like all in one. We shall see. So it's going to get a 10 and $1 as well. So now Juneteenth has 10, 20, 25, 26, 27. Next is going to be Thanksgiving. Oh wait, nope, I take that back. 4th of July is going to get 10. So now 4th of July has 10, 20, 25. Next is going to be Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is going to get 5. So now Thanksgiving has 5, 10, 15. All right, so I am done with my holiday binder. Now I am going to move on over to my sinking fund binder. And the $20 savings challenge is going to get 80. So I'm gonna just put 20, 20, 20, 20, and that covers the whole month of March. So it got 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So now the $20 savings challenge has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 260. All right, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, I must have missed. All right, $20 savings challenge is coming along very nicely. All right, so next is going to be Sam's Club, and Sam's Club is going to get 22. And then that is done. I do have up here, I'm not sure if you guys can see, let me zoom in a little. So I do have it written up here what, like, the max of what I need in each one. I had it on my holiday one as well, but I have the max that I need. So Sam's Club is going to get 22, and then now that is fully funded, because to renew our Sam's Club membership, it is $45. So now Sam's Club has 45, 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. And you know what, you guys, I'm so sorry about my settings on my camera. I don't know what I accidentally pressed, but now my settings are all messed up, and me trying to figure it out while I'm recording is no fun. But yeah, Sam's Club is fully funded, so I can go ahead and renew that membership as soon as possible. Next is going to be car registration. Car registration is going to get 50, because that is coming up in May, and I never know how much it's going to be. I just can do an estimate. So I said it's never more than 200. I mean, who knows this year? It might be more than 200 this year, but we'll see. So now car registration has 50, 70, 90. Next is going to be my P.O. Box. P.O. Box is going to get, oh, I'm just skipping all over the place. P.O. Box. I'm going to skip these two somehow. P.O. Box is going to get 15. Just a 10 and a 5. So now P.O. Box has 20, 30, 35, 40. And the max, the amount I need for P.O. Box is 92, and it's due May 1st. Next is going to be student loans. Student loans will be getting 20. And that's just a $20 bill. So now student loans has 20, 40, 50. Next is going to be my taxes. I don't know how I wrote this. Typically I don't write out of order, but taxes is going to get 20, and that's just going to be a $20 bill. I still haven't done my taxes. I typically wait till the last minute because I always owe. So I typically wait till the last minute to do them. I always have the money saved up, but I don't know why. You know, you like letting go of that money. No one actually wants to let go of their money. So yeah, I know I'm crazy. Taxes is getting 20. So now taxes should have 140. So 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 140. Yep. Next is going to be back to school. Back to school is getting 30. And that is just going to be a 20 and a 10. So now back to school has 20, 40, 55. So $55. And then that is all for my sinking fund envelope. I hope. You guys know I always mess up. Nope, I lied. Vitamins is going to get 10. So vitamins way back here is going to get $10. Thank goodness I don't need any vitamins like anytime soon. So now vitamin has 10, 15. Next, now I think that is all for my sinking fund. Yes. So next is going to be my birthdays binder. Now I am not going to stuff the twins. The twins' birthday is at the beginning of the year. Ambrose is going to get 30. I've messed up somehow. What in the world I done did? Y'all.
I done messed up somehow. Give me a second. All right, so I figure out what I did wrong. I had to literally go back and watch my video again. This video again. I accidentally put 100 in my $20 savings challenge, which is why I was thrown off before about why my savings challenge was going into the month of April. But I accidentally put 100 in it instead of 80. So that's where I was missing the 20. And I'm like, what is going on? So Ambrose is going to get 30, you guys. Budgeting and cash stuffing and whatever when it comes to do with money is never easy for me. Like, I always mess up. Like, I mess up when I'm on camera because I'm looking at the camera and I'm looking at my hand just to make sure I'm putting it in correctly, and then I'll be missing apparently. So now Ambrose has 20, 30. Next is going to be Naya. Naya is going to get 13. And her birthday is in June, and Ambrose is in May. So now Naya has 10, 11, 12, 13. Next is going to be Jonathan. He is going to get 5. His birthday isn't until August, which is a good thing. So now Jonathan has 5. Next is going to be others' birthdays, and that is going to get 10. I kind of figured when I realized that I was missing $20 is that I put that extra 20, like I immediately went back to that, but I couldn't figure out why I was over, and that explains it. And so now others has 10. Now, I don't know if my settings, like I said, I've been looking up and down, like at my hand and at the camera. Hopefully it's been in focus this whole time while I've been recording. If it hasn't been, I am so sorry. I don't know what's going on with my camera. I'm gonna have to look at it. But thank you all so very much for watching today. If you haven't done so already, give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll talk to you all in my next video. Bye.